quantity. In that next point is importance of accurate measurement. Why accurate measurement is important? Identify the wrong method of measurement shown in the picture and explain why they are wrong. See here, scale is given, some water in a glass is given, and one pan is there. Now we are considering this is first. Now see, the length is measured with the help of hand. Now we are discussing with first with this picture. Measuring length using length of hand is measured is inappropriate as length of hand is variable and not standard unit for measurement. Means person by person the length of hand is different. That's why this measurement is not proper. This is improper measuring method. Second is scale. Measuring length using ruler as measured is correct as a ruler is a standard unit of measurement and invariable. Now see, here we are using ruler or scale for finding the length. This is correct. This method is correct. Use scale to measure the length. Why this is correct? Because the scale is a invariable measurement, means the measurement of scale is fixed. That's why whatever measurement we will count, that will not change. Third is this glass. Measuring volume of a liquid using any glass is inappropriate as volume of a glass is variable as not a standard unit of measurement. Means different glass have different volume, means the volume of every glass is not equal, that is different. Means size is small or big, means we are measuring that liquid with the help of glass is not proper measurement. This is improper. Instead of that, the the invariable measurement unit is counting the liquid is measuring cylinder. Now see, this is the picture of measuring cylinder. This measuring cylinder is used to measure the volume or the unit of a liquid. And last one is this balance pan. Measuring mass using a weighting scale is correct providing the weights and balance as standardized. Means this is also a standardized unit to measure the mass. Now see, importance of accurate measurement. Why accurate measurement is important? Now we are going to see how accurate a measurement must be dependent upon its purpose. Accordingly, an appropriate device has to be used for the measurement. Measurement of substances that are precious, of great importance and used in very small quantities is done meticulously and accurately. Due to advantagements, due to in technology, devices that measured very small magnitude of quantities like distance, mass, time, and temperature are available now. For example, distance of a time in connection with very important sports competition, mass of gold, body temperature, etc. Means in some competition, 1 second is also important for that sportsman. Similarly, mass of gold. All of you know gold is, all of you know, the gold is very costly. That's why the measurement of gold is accurate. And body temperature is also measured in a proper measurement. Major causes of error in measurement. Why causes? Why some causes are there in measurement? Not using the appropriate device. Means see here. To measuring the length, here hand is used. Hand is a proper device? No. That's why. Instead of hand, you can use the scale. You can use the scale to measure the length. Means this is accurate. Scale will give you the accurate measurement, and hand is not a accurate measurement. Why? Because person to person that measurement is changes. Means what is first? Not using the appropriate device. First means you can use the appropriate device to measure the things. Not using the device properly. means जो भी device है वो properly, if you are not using that device properly, then this is also a major cause. Next, make a list of possible error other than these. Make a list of possible error other than these. Which are the possible errors? While taking a measurement, some errors is introduced due to human limitations. Because of human limitation, there are some errors. For example, an objective cannot start a stopwatch at the very same instant the runners start running. Hence, there is a small delay introducing in measurement of time. Suppose running competition is there and that stopwatch is started late, and before starting that stopwatch, runner started running. Means this is also a means this mistake is for not instrument. This is human's mistake, because human not started that starting stopwatch at the same time. Next is error occurring due to surrounding conditions such as effects of temperature, dust, etc. are known as environmental error. Because of environment also, this is also a cause of a measurement. Do you really get some liters of petrol as the petrol pump indicates? To ensure that, it is necessary to check it against a standard measure from time to time. All of you know, first you check while you are filling petrol that 000 is there in that machine. In some petrol pumps, there one note is there. You can watch your meter, 00 is there or not. Means you can check petrol is given you a accurate or not. This is called standardize. Similarly, it is necessary to standardize the weight and measures used in the market. Means though see, this is weight, this is 1 kg, 2 kg. You can check the weight. While buying things at grocery shop, the vegetable market, remember to look out for the following and tell our guidelines to do so too. First, do the balance carry the sharp of standardization by the Department of Weight and Measure. See, this is mass, means 1 kg, 2 kg. below that mass one stamp is there, and that stamp means डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ वेट एंड मेजर्स. वो जो स्टैम्प होता है वो स्टैंडर्डाइज मीन्स दिस वेट इज एग्जैक्टली और दिस मास इज एग्जैक्टली 1 kg. उसका वो क्या रहता है, वो स्टैम्प रहता है. इफ स्टैम्प इज देयर मीन्स दिस इज राइट, दिस इज perfectly 1 kg mass. Second, is the balance stable? Is the pointer of the balance upright? Means here one balance is there, you check that balance, this balance is pointed here. If balance is shifted to right side slightly or to left side, means there is a fault in that, balance. Third, is the weight made up of metal? How is the balance held? मीन्स जो भी वो वेट है वो मेटल से बना है कि नहीं, यू ऑल्सो चेक दैट. हैड द अंडर साइड टू द पैन ऑफ द बैलेंस हैज पैम्पर्ड विथ, मीन्स वाइल बाइंग some grocery you just check these things, means you can understand the importance of accurate measurement. Why measurement is accurate or why this is so much important? Because some things are very costly. For example, gold is very costly. If that balance is not accurate, we are buying 1 gram of gold, but that shopkeeper giving not exactly 1 gram. Suppose shopkeeper give you less than of 1 gram, then this is your loss because you are paying the money of 1 gram, but shopkeeper is not giving accurate or not giving accurate measurement to you. That's why measurement is important. Accuracy of measurement is also very important.